Oh, I'm camera shy.
Uh-huh. Yep. I see what's happened here.
Oh. I got her stripped down naked.
My, Aunt your mama. Sporting some new tread.
Yeah.
That's the Terravale A-line? How do they say that?
Maybe A-line. I don't know. I'm gonna have to let some air out because they got them beefed up there. If I'm gonna go out in the snow, I'm gonna let some air out.
Those are looking good. Oh, yeah. Gates carbon drive, Rohloff Hub. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. And clean.
Yeah.
It's so clean.
I'm gonna see if I can fix that today.
That's some bulky.
Yeah.
Lots of cable.
That's why a lot of people like the internal routing some bikes have, you know.
Grip shift.
Yeah.
Second mirror.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I got a pair now.
It's like you got the antlers going on there.
Yeah, I got a thing for symmetry.
Yeah.
Which is why I wanted something in the middle of the tire.
Right. That looks great, man. That's awesome.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you though, you know, you'll notice some little bit of a little more mechanical feel inside there. It's a little more friction.
Yeah. Yeah, you can feel just a little more friction in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
I went ahead
14 speed, right?
Yeah, and you know, I just took it around just a second ago, and it can allay my fears about not having enough top gears because the top end is pretty high gear.
Plenty, right?
Yeah, I didn't get all the way to 14, so yeah.
Oh, it looks great.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
This was as clean as it's been in a while too.
Yeah.
You know, I got to get some of this tape and sort of. I had some tape residue on there and it got dirty. I got to get that off too, but you know.
So I'm sure there are some Fargos out there with belt drive and roll-off hubs, but I've not seen any on YouTube hardly.
No, I haven't seen anybody talking about them.
Now, the logic. Let's talk about the logic, just quickly.
Yeah.
The logic behind this was to minimize derailleur issues, like shifting issues and stuff.
Yeah.
Reliability,
Yeah.
quiet,
Yeah.
and hopefully just kind of eliminate like all of those issues, right?
Reduce a lot of the maintenance and need for tuning on the fly. I mean, when you're riding the trail, it has a lot of debris, a lot of sand. I'm always getting stuff up in my chain and up in the cassette. So
Yeah.
I got real tired of it. I had to stop many times and mess with it.
Yeah.
So
One of the real deals is you've got to have a frame though with the split
yeah.
to be able to get the belt drive. Otherwise, you've got to actually purchase a seat stay splitter to get the belt in there. Otherwise, it ain't happening, is it?
Right.
These things though, they're known to run forever.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, long life.
Might have a little bit of stretch at the beginning, he said, so I'll take it in. He's got a cool little tensiometer.
Yeah.
It's cool. There's a phone app, but he said he doesn't use that. Mark uses the manual tensiometer.
Yeah, so tension's important, and you probably get a little bit of stretch in the beginning, like any belt, I suppose. But overall, that's
What's
That's
cool
quite
is
simple.
over here when if you need to take the wheel off, you've got and this is just hand tightened. You can just take that off. I'm not gonna do it now because I'm sure I'll screw it up.
Oh,
but
okay.
this pops out,
okay.
and then as long as you don't change the gear while you have it out, then it'll go right back where it was. But then this comes off, and then it went from a through axle to a quick release
Right.
because
That's
they don't make a through axle for
for
this.
roll-off. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So yeah, just
Pop that off.
cables for this.
Then take the wheel out, do your repair or whatever, put the wheel back on, pop that back in.
Yep.
Oh, man. That's cool, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Well, I had to come down and see it.
I'm
New
excited.
changes.
So now I got to go through and kind of put all my stuff back on there and
Yeah. And you're getting ready to take it out for its true maiden.
voyage. Yeah, yeah. It's a little sloppy, so I'm excited. I'm gonna let some air on the tires, get some bags on
so-
there.
So, yeah, we've got some snow.
It's above
But it's
freezing. so
mushy. So,
slushy.
yeah, it's above freezing. So, yeah.
Yeah,
Got
it's
your
gonna be
gear,
sloppy.
gear kind of laid out. That's exciting, though. All right. Well, we'll be looking for a review
All right.
post ride about what you think about it after you play around with the shifting and stuff.
Yeah.
How about the shifting when you were pedaling? Like, did you notice any like difference or change just in the short? I know you haven't put any miles on it, but
No, that's gonna take some getting used to. As I was shifting, I got to remind myself. It's a little counterintuitive because you grew up on derailleurs where you have to have some motion to pedal, and they say to kind of stop pedaling for kind of a split second and then do your shift.
so
That's just
Pause shift.
rewiring your thinking a little
yeah,
bit.
it won't take you long. You'll put some miles on there and you'll be a pro before you know it.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm tickled.
Awesome.
I'm giddy.
All right, we're gonna wait for the review. Go put some miles on.
I do need to tell you. I show you my.
Oh yes. So this is the click stand.
It's a click
we need to
stand.
do a review on this one these days for making your bike stand
Yeah.
up with
With
of
champagne
course,
cork.
the champagne cork to keep it from sinking in the sand and the dirt
Yeah.
and the mud and all that stuff.
Because the foot is this diameter. They
Yeah.
do make a foot. You showed me.
They do make one, but I think the champagne cork's way more fun, man.
It's bigger round. It's got a.
Yeah,
I mean, look at the grapes on the end of that sucker.
I know. I love it. Look at
Isn't
that.
that awesome?
Grapes.
Isn't that cute?
It's perfect.
So yeah, here we go.
He's got another one here too. I see.
Yeah, this
For
is
the
for
other bike.
that's for the ogre. They're up in the
Yeah.
rack.
Awesome.
So,
All right. Well, go ride and have some fun.
All right.